guys, welcome to Chiara DIY. What? Today we have another Dollar Tree DIY for my 12 Days of Christmas, hosted by Simply Mindy. Check her out up here. And we are on day 4, and I'm super excited that we are all the way to day 4 because I'm just getting started. Like, I'm literally just getting started. And I don't want you to miss any of the tutorials that I'm doing. So if you missed yesterday's tutorial, click up here because I'm going to show you what I did yesterday because I'm nice like that. But let's get into this. This sign, this easy to do DIY sign is day 4. And I will list all the materials that you need, the SVGs that you need, and everything else down below in the description box. But first, what are you doing? Make sure you're subscribed. Click that subscribe button right here and click the bell so you're notified each time I upload a video. And without further ado, let's DIY, guys. Okay, so you just want to grab the color paints that you want to use to color in the truck. Sorry that this clip is out of focus. I didn't realize it was not focused when I was filming it, but you get the gist. You just want to paint over the wooden part of the truck into the colors that you want the truck to reflect on your sign. I chose red for the truck, green for the tree, and white and black around the tires. Of course, you can color the truck any color that you want. You can color the tree any color that you want. It's totally up to you. So I decided to add lines to the foam board to give it more of a rustic farmhouse look. Adding lines is completely up to you. Once you have measured out where you want the lines to go and how far apart you want them to go, you can just quickly draw the lines in. Use a light hand so that they aren't super duper dark lines. Once you have the lines how you want them to be on the foam board, go ahead and check out the placement of the truck onto the foam board to make sure it's exactly where you want it to be. Using contact paper from the Dollar Tree, you just want to take about 1 inch from the roll and use that as the frame of the board so that it looks like it's a wooden frame going around the poster board. So you just want to make 4 of those and take them from one side of the poster board to the other and just line them up perfectly so that they look like an actual frame. Go ahead and glue down your truck. As you can see, I did not place mine directly in the middle, and to give it extra hold, I put some cans on it to make sure the glue stuck perfectly. So you'll want to move on to the decals. I placed mine around the truck, so you'll want to make sure wherever you put your truck, you'll want the decals to give it a symmetrical look. So you'll want the words to frame the truck. So again, I'm using contact paper or transfer tape from the Dollar Tree, and as you can see, it was a pretty easy transfer and it wasn't difficult at all. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope that you give this a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.